Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Experiencing a PlayStation 5 crash can really interrupt your gaming session, and it's super frustrating, especially when you're in the middle of something important. But don't worry, this is a pretty common issue for many users, so you're definitely not alone. We're going to walk through some easy, effective steps together, helping you get your console back on track and preventing future crashes so you can enjoy your games without interruption. Let's begin with some really quick fixes you can try immediately. First, give your PlayStation 5 a full power cycle, completely turn it off and then back on. Next, double-check that all your cables are snug and secure, from the power cord to your HDMI. Finally, always ensure your PS5 system software and all your installed games are updated to their very latest versions, as this often resolves many issues. Now, let's look at some deeper software solutions. A great first step here is clearing your PlayStation 5 system cache, which can fix many odd behaviors. Next, try rebuilding your console's database. It's like defragging a computer and can surprisingly improve stability. If problems persist, you might need to boot your PS5 into safe mode to access more advanced tools, helping you tackle stubborn issues. Sometimes, crashes are linked to your console's physical environment. Make sure your PlayStation 5 is in an open area, allowing for proper airflow, never tucked away in a tight cabinet. Dust buildup can seriously impact performance, so regularly clean the vents and fan areas. If you're using disc games, ensure your discs are clean and scratch-free, and gently check the disk drive for any obstructions, helping your console run smoothly. If you've tried all these solutions and your PlayStation 5 is still crashing, it might indicate a more serious hardware issue. At this point, it's best to reach out directly to PlayStation support for expert assistance. Remember to check your console's warranty. Any necessary repairs might be covered by Sony. Always back up your game saves to the cloud, just in case, ensuring your gaming progress remains safe.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.